you looking to get started with Kajabi? This step-by-step tutorial is perfect for beginners. You'll learn how to set up your Kajabi account from scratch so that you can start earning and building the business that you've been dreaming of. But before we dive into the details, I want to share something special with you. So if you want to try Kajabi, I got a special link for you. It gives you a 30-day free trial, which is much longer than the usual 14 days. And as a thank you for using my link, you'll also get my Kajabi Jumpstart course. And in the course, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up and use Kajabi step by step. But that's not all. You'll also get my premium Notion templates for free. And those are worth over $900, but you're going to get all of that at no cost. And the best part is you'll get instant access to both the course and templates when you use my link. So check out the link in the description below and let's dive in. So the first thing to focus on with Kajabi is your account settings. Once you log in, look at the bottom left corner of your dashboard and click the settings button. Now this section is where you're going to set the foundation of your online presence. It's the place to customize your site so it reflects your brand and looks professional. Now once you're in settings, the first thing to focus on is site details. Now this is where you'll see the default title Kajabi gave your account, usually based on the details that you used when signing up. It's important to change this to match your brand. For example, if your brand is called Lewis Coding, update the title to reflect that name. In addition to the title, you can also set up a subdomain. Now changing this to something like lewis-code.mykajabi.com is a great idea. It looks more professional and it helps strengthen your brand identity. Next, you're going to want to add your support email and choose your default currency. Now this helps keep your communication consistent and your pricing clear for customers. It's a simple step that makes a big difference. Then you're going to want to upload your branding logo. Set a favicon, which is the small icon on your browser tab, and then pick your brand colors. Now these details are important because they're going to show up automatically across your Kajabi site. It makes designing your website, landing pages, and blogs much easier, and it keeps everything looking consistent. Also, you can fill in extra fields like instructor information, but it's a good idea to keep it simple at first. Now, you can always add more details later once you have the basics ready. When everything looks good, go ahead and hit the save to lock in your changes. Now after finishing the site details, go to the settings menu and head to the marketing settings. Now this section is super important for staying compliant and keeping your email communications in check. Here, you're going to add your company's name and address. Now make sure that the address that you add is valid because it's required to comply with international spam laws when sending marketing emails. The PO box or virtual mailbox is a good option instead of your home address, especially if you travel a lot. After adding the required details, go ahead and scroll down to the email settings. Now you can update things like your from name if needed. Once everything looks good, go ahead and click the save to lock it all in. The next important step is setting up how you'll get paid through Kajabi. So go to the settings menu and find the Kajabi payment settings section. Here, you'll connect Kajabi payments so your customers can pay you easily. Now that your basic settings are ready, it's time to move on to an existing part of your Kajabi journey, creating your first product. Building a product first is a smart move because it helps you launch your business and start making money right away. So in Kajabi, your product can be a course, a coaching program, a community, or even a podcast. For this tutorial, the focus will be on creating a course. So to get started, click on the Products tab in your dashboard. You'll see a list of options like courses, coaching, community, podcasts, newsletters, and downloads. For this demo, we are creating a course, so click on the courses. After that, you'll see a page with all of your existing courses. Now, if you haven't created any yet, the page will be empty. So to create a new course, just click on the New Course button in the top right corner. From here, you'll enter the Product Creation Wizard. Now, this tool will guide you step by step through the process of building your course. So first, add the basic details of your course. And this means the course title and a clear description that explains what the course is about. Focus on what students will learn and how it will help them. For example, if your course is about digital marketing, mention topics like SEO, social media strategies, and content marketing. Make sure to highlight the benefits students will get when they finish finish the course. Now, once you've added a good course description, click the next button to move forward. And after that, pick a primary color and accent color for your course. Now, you can also upload a thumbnail, but that's optional. So when you're finished, go ahead and click the next again. In the next step, select whether your course will be free or paid. For this tutorial, we'll keep it free. Just choose the free option, then hit the next button to continue. Once you give some basic details, Kajabi's AI steps in to help. It takes your information and creates a course outline for you. It even suggests modules and lessons that match your goals. This saves you a lot of time and it gives you a clear starting point. Then you can make it your own. You can change the number of modules, you can move lessons around, or you can add more details. Now this way, you can build a course that perfectly fits your vision. After the creation wizard finishes, you'll see your course outline on the screen. Now this outline shows your main modules and lessons all set for you to fill with content. At this point, you can add videos, audios, PDFs, or other types of media to your lessons. For example, if your course is about digital marketing, you could include recorded lectures, downloadable guides, or interactive quizzes to help your students learn. One of the best things about Kajabi is how flexible it is with sharing content. After you upload all of your course materials, you can decide to share the whole course at once or release the lessons over time. Drip scheduling is a great way to keep students interested because it spreads out the lessons over days or weeks. Now, this approach helps keep students engaged and gives them time to absorb the content. It also lets you make updates and improvements so that you can see how students react to the earlier lessons. Once your course content is ready and organized into modules and lessons, you can check how it looks to your students. To do this, go ahead and click on the eye icon at the top right corner. When you click it, a new tab will open showing your course. Now, this preview mode is super helpful. It lets you make sure that everything is in the right place and that each lesson smoothly leads into the next. If something needs to be fixed, you can quickly make changes like moving lessons or updating descriptions. That way, you know your course will be ready when students start using it. After you've finished your course, the next step is setting up your checkout and sales pages. Now, these pages are important because this is where people will learn about your course and pay for it. Now, in Kajabi, once your course is ready, go to the Offers tab in your dashboard and click on it. You're going to see an option to create a new offer. Now, this is where you're going to set the price for your course. When you click on the new offer button to create an offer, you can add a title and select the product. Then click the continue button. Next, choose between the free and paid options. Now, for this tutorial, let's just choose the free option and then hit continue. Now, in the next step, customize your checkout by selecting the button color, button text, and adding fields like address, phone number, name, or tax ID. Simply toggle each option on or off to include or exclude it. And once you're done, click the Save and Finish button to finalize the checkout page. Now, once your offer is ready, you can make the checkout page even better by clicking on the Edit Checkout page. Kajabi makes it simple with an easy-to-use editor. Now, you can add images, videos, and testimonials to make your page look great and more convincing. You can also add order bumps, which are extra offers to show up during checkout. For example, you could offer a coaching call at a discount or an extra resource when someone is about to buy. Now, these order bumps help increase what customers spend by encouraging them to add more to their order. After setting up your checkout page, the next step is to create a sales page for your course. So go to the website section in Kajabi and click on landing pages. Now, you can choose a pre-built sales page template or you can make your own from scratch. To create a new page, go ahead and click on the new landing page button at the top right corner. Now, it's best to customize an existing template. For example, Let's say that you decide to use the streamlined home template. Click on it and a pop-up window will appear. Click the Get Started button, type the title of your page, and hit Create. Now this will take you to the landing page editor. Here you can change and customize every detail of your sales page. Now when everything looks good, publish the page and connect it to your checkout process to make sure that everything works smoothly. With your course, offers, and sales pages ready, the next step is setting up your email campaigns. Kajabi's marketing section lets you create email broadcasts and sequences to stay connected with your audience. If you already have an email list, you can send a welcome email to introduce your course and highlight its key benefits. But if you're new to this, you can create an email sequence that helps new subscribers get to know you. So over time, this can guide them towards signing up for your course. Kajabi has lots of email templates that you can pick from, making it super easy to create emails that match your brand. You can tweak the title, subject line, preview text, and content to make sure that your emails are clear, engaging, and fit perfectly with your marketing plan. Now, once you've added all of the details and adjusted the template, you can send a test email to check out how it looks. Just choose the Send Test Email option, type in your email address, and hit the Send Preview button. When everything looks good and you're happy with the email sequence, click the Save button in the top right corner. Although it's possible to make money without a full website, having a professional site really helps you look credible and reach more people. Now, in Kajabi, it's simple to create a website. Just go to the website section, then click on Design. And from there, you can pick a theme that fits your brand. Click on Browse Templates and pick one that you like. Personally, I think a clean, modern theme works best. It makes your content easy to read and it helps visitors find what they need quickly. For example, I use a theme called Rise. It has a great balance of visuals and clear calls to action, which makes everything look professional and user-friendly. Now, once you've picked the theme and you've saved the template, it's time to make the website your own. So click on the Customize button at the top right. Now, this will open up the template in Kajabi Website Editor. Then you can update your homepage to match your brand. Add your logo, change the colors, and update the content to fit your style. Your homepage should introduce your business, show what you offer, and guide visitors to key pages like your sales page or course listings. Kajabi makes it super easy to add content to your website. Now you can drag and drop things like text, images, videos, and opt-in forms. Now this helps make your website look great and work smoothly. Now when you're done customizing it, just click the Save button at the top right corner. Kajabi's simple interface makes it easy for anyone to create a professional looking website, even if you're new to design. It's built to help you get more conversions and reach your goals. Also, keep your site fresh by adding new content and testimonials. This keeps your online presence active and helps bring in new customers while keeping them engaged. Beyond setting up your site and course, Kajabi has some hidden gems that are super helpful for beginners. One of my favorites is Kajabi University. It's a built-in training resource with tutorials on everything that you need to know about the platform. I've spent hours watching Kajabi University videos. They've helped me make my site better, build stronger funnels, and improve my sales pages. It's great because you can learn at your own pace and really dive into the features. Whether you're looking to get better at something specific or you just want to know the best way to do things, Kajabi University is an awesome free resource and I highly recommend checking it out. Another standout feature is Kajabi's support team. So in my experience, their support is exceptionally responsive and knowledgeable. Whenever I've encountered an issue or had a question about setting up a feature, I simply used the chat option and they were quick to offer helpful solutions. Now this level of customer support is rare and it ensures that you won't be left in the dark when you need assistance. Kajabi also makes it super simple to use coupon codes for your courses. Adding a coupon code to your sales strategy is a great way to boost early sales and create a sense of urgency. You can set up coupons with expiration dates, offer discounts as a percentage or a flat amount, and even add countdowns in your emails to build excitement around your launches. Furthermore, Kajabi includes an affiliate program that helps you track referrals and reward people people who promote your course. This can help you reach more people and drive more sales without having to do all the work. Finally, one of the coolest features of Kajabi is Creator Studio. Now, this tool helps you turn parts of your training videos or webinars into different kinds of content. You can make short highlight clips, pull out fun Q&A moments, or even turn video transcripts into blog posts. Creator Studio makes content repurposing simple and quick. It saves you time and effort while making sure that you get the most out of every piece of content. You can use it so many ways to promote your course and grow your brand. And that's it for this video, guys. And as promised, I have something special for you since you've made it all the way through this. I have a unique link that gives you a full 30-day trial of Kajabi instead of the usual 14 days. That means that you're going to get more time to dive in, set up your product, build your site, and test all of the features without feeling rushed. Simply check the link in the description of this video and grab your extended trial. This is an affiliate link, so I'll earn a small commission if you decide to keep your subscription after the trial. It doesn't cost you anything extra, and you actually get more time to explore the platform. And as a thank you for using my link, you'll get access to my Kajabi Jumpstart course. And this is just a quick program where I'm going to walk you through setting up your Kajabi account step by step. And we're going to cover everything from customizing your site to creating your first product. But that's not all. When you use my link, you're also going to get my premium Notion templates for free. Now, these templates are worth over $900, but you're going to get them for free. The best part is that you get access to the course and templates instantly when you use my link. I want to make it easy for you to start strong so that you can focus on growing your business and making an impact from day one. Now, if you want to know more, just let me know in the comments, and I'd be happy to help you set up your online business with Kajabi. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.